kada isang buhay na na-save po ninyo sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng dugo, para na rin po na-save ninyo ang buong sangkatauhan.
To our outstanding blood donors, organization, and partners, you are heroes. The Bayanihan Kadugo Award is a symbol, a reminder that amidst challenges, there are always people who choose to help, to care, and to serve.
For Kadugo ng Bayan, saludo kami sa inyo, sa inyong lahat. To all awardees, may your passion continue to ignite positive change. Remember with you and your effort, kaya nandito rin kami sa Soc Sargent Regional Blood Center at nagtatrabaho.
It is a gift of life, a symbol of hope, and a testament to human kindness. Bawat taon po, thousands of people receive life-saving blood transfusions thanks to the kindness of donors like you. We salute your courage, your compassion, and your commitment to helping others. Together, we can make a difference and create a healthier, more compassionate world.
Gusto po natin dito is nagdo-donate tayo, voluntaryo, para maging malusog yung ating pangangatawan at the same time tayo ay binibigyan ng reward ng Diyos.